Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add glitch effect on your photo easily. So without any further ado, let's get started. Here is our picture. Now black and white this picture by pressing Shift Ctrl U. Next copy this picture 2 times by pressing Ctrl J 2 times. Now select the second copy file and open blending options. Uncheck the green and blue options, and hit OK. Next select the first copy file and open blending options. Uncheck only the red options this time and hit OK. Now select the second copy file and move it to the right side a little bit. That's it, we have successfully added glitch effect on this photo. Thanks for watching. Please like and share if you think this video is helpful. I will publish more videos in future, so stay tuned on my channel by hit the subscribe and bell button. Be creative.